Hello viewers and welcome to HTML course series. This is the sixth part, and in this part we are going to learn two different HTML tags. The first one is HR tag, which is used for creating a horizontal line but have some other meaning as well. And the second one is BR tag, which is used for line break, right? One common thing between these two tags is they don't have closing tag, and that's why they are also known as empty tags or void tags. So let's do some experiment. I am using the same old document that I had in the previous video with some headings and paragraph tags. And the output shown in the browser is like this, right? So let's pick HR tag first. HR tag had been using for years for creating horizontal line, and it still creates a horizontal line in browser and divide the browser in section. But now this tag is semantic rather than presentational. So what does it mean? A semantic tag in HTML has spatial meaning or purpose. It gives browser some information, right? So the horizontal line created by HR tag tells browser about thematic change or change in the theme, like shift of topic. Okay? We will talk more about semantic or non-semantic HTML elements later. Now check our document. Here we have a theme which is website technologies, and it has three different topics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this document, we have change of topics. For example, a shift of topic from HTML to CSS and another shift from CSS to JavaScript. That means we can use HR tag here to separate the contents or to separate the topics, right? Now, in order to separate the topic, we just need to write the tag in between the paragraphs, like here, and one tag here. Save the file and refresh the browser. That's good and looks good, okay? So our page is divided into sections. Now you know when and where to use HR tags, right? And if you want a line without any meaning, so just use CSS for that, okay? You don't need to use HR tag. Now talk about the BR tag. This tag produces a line break in text. We have discussed in the previous videos that browser automatically removes all the line breaks from the text. For example, all the line breaks here we have are automatically removed by the browser. If you want a line break in text, then you need to put it manually. So this is a tag that we use to produce a line break in text. Okay, so let's do some experiment. I'm creating a new paragraph and pasting here our childhood favorite poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, right? So this poem has several line breaks which are going to be removed by the browser. Let's save the file and refresh the browser and check the output. Now here you see, it just became a sequence, right? Now we're going to apply line breaks manually. Write BR where you want to break the line. Save the file and refresh the browser. You now see the difference, right? And the text after the line break begins again at the start. One thing that you need to remember here is that you will only use BR tag to produce line breaks in text. You won't use BR tag to create space between the paragraphs or other web content. For example, if I write BR 3 times in between this paragraph and this heading, so a space equal to 3 empty lines are added in the output. In other words, a space is added in between. So this method is now outdated and not recommended. Nowadays we use CSS to set or adjust the margins and the space between the contents, right? So in this tutorial, we learned how to work with BR and HR tag. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I see you in the next part. Thanks for watching.